morning, Bisdak Aussie campers. What am I getting? Fasten your seatbelts for safety and protocol.
Good morning.
Ferna Riddle. Kung sa nga lang si page lang. Ferna Riddle.
Okay ra ka diha?
Kiranggi kalitora.
Tuara.
Walang tagamay.
Sakit ra ka.
Kitra ka.
Campers me.
Wheezing.
Good morning, good morning.
Mura mag-call ka ng sa radyo ah. Good morning mga... Sige na. Good
Dapat
morning,
na naka-lipstick and all. It's currently 7:44 a.m. Ready for our camping.
Good morning. Karon sa Bumbo Radyo. Nagabalita kami. Boom, boom, boom. Ang Aussie campers. Mag-camping na po. Boom, boom, boom.
Sige ni. Sige, ang gasoline station nila na.
BP.
No.
Huh?
The slang word for...
Servo.
Sige, hapit sa miog. Servo. Servo is gasoline station.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.
Hey.
Maybe
Secret
you're drawn to the ones who lost their hope.
Layolas, Clark. Ha?
Dira.
I'm waiting at the doorstep. I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. with you.